Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today project name is the ReddoCoin. Full automation is dropshipping. No border, no complicated payments procedure, no middleman, but better communication and trust. You can watch this video. It is presentation video, and this is white paper in PDF file. You can also download it and can read this white paper. Token price is 0.3%. Pre-ICO sale bonus 12%. Pre-ICO sale is live. You can join pre-ICO sale and can buy token. You can buy tokens through Binance Smart Chain, BNB, Ethereum, Trust Wallet, and through MetaMask. You can read Reddo token detail on Medium, ABC, and Tech Rate. They will register on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CoinSwap, and Binance Smart Chain. And this is the ReddoCoin ecosystem. ReddoCoin is changing the current price picture of dropshipping business with a revolutionary approach. There is no need for massive investment and huge resources. Even with low startup cost, business can be scale profit and expand globally. With an innovative combination of blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the software development technologies, Reddo will automate the whole dropshipping process and manage e-commerce time consuming duties, thus allows business to focus only on marketing and sales. A reduction of transaction and business cost and simplification of the purchase process is one of the key of advantage. And here we discuss industry global and ReddoCoin solution. High startup cost, slow transaction with a high fee, impossibility of automation, inconstant communication, lack of trust, low quality, frequent and unauthorized transaction, customer relationship management. And solutions are low cost startup, blockchain based platform with fast transaction low fee, innovative automate dropshipping business solution, Reddo chat tool with enhanced feature, verified seller with reliable reviews, high profitable best selling products, transaction executed by smart contracts, Reddo CRM, easy access to manage state customer behavior, and you can start your drop shipping here. Your own online store, fully automatic dripping service. This is the detail, and this is detail of payment solution here. You can read this, and these are pricing benefits, and these are the packages: silver Reddo, gold Reddo, platinum Reddo. You can buy any of these, and this is the gateway to ReddoCoin business ecosystem for customer. You can click here. This is the detail, and for business you can click here for business detail. A Reddo partner program, 15% invite friends on ICO, pre-sale, and receive 15% bonus token from total purchase, 30% attract online store and receive cash out bonus from the merchant transaction fee, 15% receive 15% bonus from the merchant installment fee. And this is the referral system. If you want to join this referral system, you can read all this. First, you need to sign up. You have to share your referral link. If someone buy tokens through your they will get bonus 15%. And this is token sale detail. ReddoCoin is Web20 utility token created to be an integral facilitator of transaction within the ReddoCoin business ecosystem. Pre-sale started September 2021. 12% bonus. One ReddoCoin is 0.34 cent. ICO around one Reddo is equal to 0.42 cent. ICO round 2, 1 Reddo is 0.47. And this is the tokenomics detail. Token symbol Reddo, token sale start, and all detail is available. Accepted currency Ether and BNB. Soft cap 25 million USD and hard cap 40 million USD. Acceptable currencies are Ether and BNB. And this is fund allocation and token allocation. You can download their white paper, one page and pitch desk. And this is roadmap detail. They started their journey 2019 quarter 1. You can subscribe their newsletter here, type your email and then click on subscribe, and these are the social links. This bounty is live. If you want to participate bounty, I will provide link in video description. You can join this bounty. This is the thread of the bounty. The bounty will run for 3 weeks, and campaigns are Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube and Reddit. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.